Hey there, this is a quick short tutorial video on how to use Read and Write for Google so that kids can use the speech to text and so they can get their thoughts down in a more prompt manner here. And we want them writing. So I just opened up a Google document, a blank one, and under the Google Read and Write puzzle piece, which has been pushed out to all computers, I just go ahead and click on that. And this time my menu popped up at the top. And this time around, we are going to use this little guy right here with the little headset on, and it's called Talk and Type. So when I click Talk and Type, it's usually going to come up with use your microphone, and you must allow that, otherwise it can't hear anything. You go ahead and click that, and now we have a red recording, and as you can see, as I'm speaking, it is picking up what I am saying. Period. So you have to add punctuation to it and capital letters because it doesn't know when you would like that information in there. So that's where it gets to be a little tricky. Period. Return, return. So it doesn't do all the things that you want it to. So like if I were doing this with a student, I would go ahead and show them how to do this, period. Using Google Read and Write to reflect on my thinking is a great tool for everyone! Exclamation mark. When you are done recording, click the recording button off. The red one goes off, the black one comes in, and as you can see, we now have students' thoughts down. It does get a little tricky because kids will talk on and on just like I did, and so it just gives you this one big running sentence. So just so you know kind of how it does operate. That's it. That is Google Read and Write, and this is the writing portion.